Now let's look at how to check your website traffic. First of all, let's talk about why you should check your website traffic. Checking your website traffic make it easier for you to know how your website is performing. Website traffic data shows you the number of visitors that come to your website. The larger the number of visitors to your website, the better. It will also show you where your traffic is coming from, how visitors engage with your site, and what digital marketing strategies are working. Now let's talk about why you should check your competitors' traffic. Analyzing your competitors' website traffic statistics can reveal a lot of helpful information. Competitors' traffic analysis is a digital marketing best practice that companies use to investigate competitors and improve their website's performance. Constantly knowing the pulse of your industry and niche, and what your competitors are doing, makes it easier for you to come up with new ideas. Just like you can learn from their failures. You can also figure out their strategies and keys to success. And finally, what are the best tools to check any website traffic with? The first tool we would be looking at is SEMrush. SEMrush is an all-in-one digital marketing tool. It lets you run site audits, discover new keywords to target for PPC and SEO, as well as monitor the competition. Now let's see how it works. Once you enter a competitor URL, you'll get a detailed breakdown of your competitor's total traffic. You'll be able to see important website metrics like the volume of traffic over time, traffic and organic keyword distribution by country, the keywords that bring them the most organic traffic, and more. The Traffic Analytics tab gives you the number of visits, number of unique visitors, number of page views, average visits duration, and the bounce rate the site receives. This feature is like looking into your competitor's Google Analytics account. You'll also find detailed traffic analytics reports that give information like which sites are sending the most referral traffic, which pages on their site are the most valuable, and which locations bring the most traffic. Depending on your pricing plan, you can compare up to 200 websites. This gives you a big picture view of your niche, the websites getting the most traffic, and any traffic opportunities you can act on. You can take advantage of the 14 days trial, or the limited free plan. If you want full reports, then the premium plans start at $119.95 per month, which gives you full access to competitor traffic sources, and much more. Now let's look at the pros and cons of SEMrush. We'll start with the pros. SEMrush provides assistance with PPC campaigns, including lots of useful data. Although it provides a large quantity of data, SEMrush's interface is laid out in a logical fashion, and graphs and data visualizations make it easy to understand the metrics provided. Its site auditing feature gives you an easy-to-follow set of instructions on how to make concrete improvements to the technical SEO and on-page SEO aspects of your site. Domain analysis is easy to perform as you get everything you need to see laid out clearly in one place. Now, what are the cons? Reports such as keyword search volume and paid search insight are often inaccurate. All SEMrush plans only come with one user account, and buying additional seats is expensive. Because the SEMrush interface is not responsive, it's hard to use the tool on a mobile device. SEMrush only provides data for one search engine, Google. Some other competing tools provide data from quite a few others. The next tool we would be looking at is Google Search Console. Search Console is a tool from Google that helps developers, website owners, and SEO professionals understand how their site is performing on Google Search. Now let's talk about how it works. Google Search Console gives you a complete picture of how your site is viewed by the search engines. Unlike SEMrush, Google Search Console only allows you to check your own website stats, as you would be required to verify your domain ownership. It shows the number of impressions, clicks, click-through rate, and the average position of your keywords in the search engines. This helps you understand what keywords you're ranking for and the search volume they're bringing in. This information can help you improve your traffic. For example, if you find that you're ranking in position 10, then you can optimize the blog post to try to move it to the first page of the search results. You can also see which pages are indexed, if any errors are present, and much more. Once you add your site to Google Search Console, you can start viewing your website data. And how do you add your site to Google Search Console? You start by signing into your Google account. Make sure you're using your business account if it's a business website. Go to Google Webmaster Tools. Click Add a Property. Choose Website from the drop-down menu and enter the URL of your site. Make sure you're using the exact URL that appears in the browser bar. Click Continue. Pick a way to verify you own your website. Google starts tracking data for your property as soon as you add it to Google Search Console. The next tool we would be looking at is Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest allows you to get insight into the strategies that are working for others in your market so you can adopt them, improve them, and gain an edge. It's very straightforward to use and the interface is built for beginners. If you've never done keyword research or traffic analysis before, then this tool makes it incredibly simple. Now let's look at how it works. The Traffic Analyzer feature gives you a detailed breakdown of your competitors' traffic over time, the keywords bringing them the most traffic, and the most popular pages on the site. All you have to do is enter the website URL you want to analyze and click Search. The Traffic Overview page gives you the total number of organic keywords the site ranks for, the organic monthly traffic, domain authority, and the total number of backlinks. You can also dive deeper into each section of the traffic report. For example, you can expand the top page's results to get a breakdown of each published page on the site and the estimated amount of traffic it brings in every month. The results also give you the estimated number of backlinks, along with the number of Facebook and Pinterest shares. This data gives you a general overview of what you'll have to do to outrank that page in the SERPs. The free version of the tool gives you access to the last 3 months of data. Premium plans start at $12 per month, making it one of the cheapest tools for analyzing traffic. Now, what are the pros and cons of Ubersuggest? Starting with the pros. Ubersuggest is very easy to use and understand, which is great for new users. The dashboard is very easy to navigate between pages. The cost of Ubersuggest is probably the best benefit. It's a great tool that gives you 95% of all the SEO tools you need at a great price. It uses location-based data, which is very easy for SEO to search accordingly. You have an option to select whatever language you prefer to search in. And now the cons. Ubersuggest doesn't have as much advanced SEO tools in comparison to its competitors. It is not as robust in terms of features and functionality when compared to other SEO analysis tools. It can be difficult to find results related to specific niche markets. You will not find any mobile app in Ubersuggest. The mobile layout on the website is a little bit lacking. On the main pages of Ubersuggest, it can take 5 to 10 seconds to load when making a search. The last tool we would be looking at is Ahrefs. Ahrefs is the best competitor research and SEO tool you can get right now. It has the biggest backlink index than any other tool. It gives organizations and individuals a dependable and strong backlink checker that offers information-rich backlink profiles for any URL or site. Now let's look at how it works. The interface is very simple and user-friendly. Simply enter the website URL in the search field and the tool will pull all available website information. The Search Overview report gives you an overview of the organic search traffic a site receives, the domain authority, biggest competitors, and much more. You can filter the report to view the traffic stats for the year, last 30 days, or all time. Even though there's a ton of data present, it's easy to filter and find the website metrics you're looking for. Keep in mind that the traffic data only shows organic search data and not other sources like social media. There's a 7-day trial for $7, after that plans start at $99 per month. Now, what are the pros and cons of Ahrefs? We'll start with the pros. Ahrefs has one of the largest backlink database. You can get a clear profile of any site or URL in one click. Ahrefs uncovers all you need, from anchors and links to backlink strength. Information is frequently updated and it's easy to identify what content generates better income. Parent Topic lets you conduct topic research in addition to single keyword research. Ahrefs also lets you see your competitors' search traffic through Positions Explorer tool. You can see what keywords they use to rank in search engines and discover what keywords are spent on their marketing and advertising campaigns. And now the cons. Keyword suggestions do not have a relevancy sort. You have to sort on things like volume, which surfaces many irrelevant results. Ahrefs still has too few ready-to-use integrations with other services such as Google Analytics or Search Console. Low limits and restrictions on the $99 plan make that plan not worth it.